Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking jewelry. So if you're interested in some bougie luxury brand jewelry, please stay tuned. Okay, first we have got two pairs of earrings and a bracelet and a necklace, okay, from Dior and Chanel. The first, I have to show you this packaging, guys. It is unbelievable. This is what I got in the post. It's their new, it's like a metallic, it's got metallic accents. The orange and the gold is metallic. And then there's navy blue. It is so beautiful, guys. I got that, and each one came with its own box and also ribbon. So it's beautiful Dior ribbon. The box is just beautiful. If you guys are thinking about gifting this is going to make a beautiful gift. Alright, so it came with the beautiful Dior, black Dior ribbon with gold Dior logo. And then when you open the box, you get this beautiful little cloth dust bag, jewelry bag. And then inside, I saw these earrings, and I'll have to be honest, I thought they were humongous. And then they arrived and they were the smallest earrings known to man. They're these beautiful gold, sort of an antique gold DC earring with 3 hoops, and they just, as you can see there, that's what they look like on the side, and that's the front. I'm going to put them on for you guys so you guys can see what they look like. Get an idea, these are really small, cute little earrings, but they've got all different types. They have so many, and they also have like big dangly ones. I kind of felt like these might match my Bulgari ring. Sorry, Bulgari ring. They are the earrings. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, really great price range. I have to tell you guys that I have been wanting to buy luxury brand earrings and jewelry, like costume jewelry, for a really long time, years. And every time I go in there, I find that the prices are absolutely ridiculous for the quality and the materials of what you're buying. So if you guys know anything about jewelry that's costume, most of the time it's plated, and it's usually alloy or copper or something like that underneath. These, I believe, are alloy underneath, and they are plated in gold over the top. But there's different variances of plating. There's sometimes really cheap plating that comes off after a couple of weeks, and then there's other plating like from Swarovski. I can't even say it. And there's other brands that have plating that's like triple plating that lasts for years and years and years. So yeah, I'm really interested to see how these go. I think they're beautiful, subtle, everyday earrings, which are going to be great for me. I love everyday earrings. And I wanted sort of some gold earrings because I've got a really beautiful Chanel. I bought some really nice Chanel earrings that sort of have rhinestones on them, and they're really beautiful. And I think that they'll be a really good contrast because they're silver and these are gold. Alright, next up, we're still going on with Dior. Alright, this bracelet is just beautiful. It screams me. It's made of that antique gold. Again, I'll come in close so you guys can see. It's got the Jar Dior and a little dangling star, and it's also got these diamante chains on either side, which are just beautiful. And the chunky antique gold, as well as this dangly sort of piece that has Dior on it as well. What I like is their lettering is sort of on a bit of a curve, so it's going to cater to your wrist instead of it being straight like a plate. I think that's super smart. And there's also quite a lot of loops here, guys, so it can be adjusted quite small. I have fairly small wrists for my size. I think I have about a 17 centimeter wrist, which is not tiny, but considering I'm a bigger girl, My wrists are surprisingly small. I cannot get it on for the life of me, guys. I cannot get it on. So I'm going to try something else now. I'm going to do it slightly differently. Okay, I did it. I didn't do it as tight as it probably should have been, but you can kind of see. It is such a beautiful piece. I'm really interested to see how this wears because, don't know if I've told you guys, but I have really acidic skin. My skin can't handle anything that is plated. It eats all metal, which is why I can really only wear sterling silver or real gold. And usually plating doesn't last, so we will see. But yes, this is just gorgeous. I would probably have it slightly tighter just so that it sits sort of closer to the end. But super beautiful. Can you see it? Really, really cute. Beautiful, beautiful piece. I will definitely be letting you guys know how I go with this piece. I think the Diamantes just add a little something, don't they just? That's so beautiful. I've been loving that antique gold look recently. I just find that it looks super bougie. Last piece from Dior. This one is quite heavy. Exactly the same box. Came with a ribbon. Came with a little dust bag. I mean, like, can it get any cuter? Looks identical as well, guys. Identical. Just saying. Okay, let me just set this one up properly. This one is a necklace. It's really chunky. Don't know if you can see, but it's actually... I'm just gonna go like this so you guys can see. It's actually, this sits off center, this CD. Sits over to one side, and there are 3 chains. One is smaller. There's 2 chains that are the same size but different links. So this one with the star is a more lighter link style, and this second one is a more traditional, you know, close knit style. You can see, I'm just going to get in close so you guys can see. See that? So this one here has a star on it, which is a lighter kind of chain. Then you've got this one, which is a heavier chain, a closer knit, traditional chain. And then there's the big chunky one, which is like an antique gold. Super beautiful. It's also got quite a long chain at the back, so it can kind of be adjusted, I think. And it's got the cute little Dior just on the back there. And I'm gonna try my best to show you guys this on. Try my best. Am I going to be able to do it? I'm hopeless at doing stuff like this without seeing. Okay, now I have not made it very tight, so I don't know if this is actually going to show very well. But, oh, and my other necklace is still on, so just ignore that. I never take that one off. It's a gift from my partner. So, there we go. So, chunky. I would probably wear it a little bit tighter, like a choker, if I can be honest. I think that's how I would wear it. I love chunky necklaces under shirts. I think that little pop of something kind of gives you that bougie element. Also, guys, I'd like to add, I just received this in as well. It's a Cartier love bracelet. Just while we're talking about jewelry, it's probably the right time. And also, if you guys want to know about this Bulgari ring that I've got, this is like the brown, it's like a copper brown rose gold. It is just beautiful. And it says Roma on the inside. I've been wearing this for maybe about a month. It is a little bit dirty. I didn't clean it for you guys. I didn't even think I'd be showing it. But it's the B0 ring, you know, that classic spring ring. This one is a ceramic one, so it's not the ones that spring. The silver one and the gold one and the rose gold one that are made of springs actually spring in and out, and I do have one of those. But this one is a ceramic, so the ceramic ones don't spring for obvious reasons, because it's not like a metal. So absolutely love wearing that. I like sort of mixing it up these days. So I've got rose gold, there's rose gold there and the brown, and then I've got the silver and then rose gold here. But I'm just sort of being a crazy person and just wearing whatever the hell I want. And I just don't care what day it is, you know? So yeah, so that's all the pieces from Dior. And I've got one more piece from Chanel, which I have to show you. Now, their jewelry, I found it really hard, guys, to pick pieces that I wanted because I wanted so many, and I actually ended up ordering way more pieces than what we'd agreed, because I said, look, you know what, I don't care, I'm just gonna buy them with my own money because I've been wanting these pieces for such a long time. Don't know if you remember the Dior pearl earrings that are sort of like lopsided, so one is a big pearl and the other one's like a dangly or something. They've got so many of those. I just couldn't decide, so I have to leave that for the next time. But now, with the Chanel piece, it's actually quite special. I got it in a box. I also got a little card, a little Chanel card. I got this little Chanel box, and then I got the most gorgeous little jewelry case. It sort of opens up like this. The fabric of this is like a, I don't know, is it like a micro suede? It's so soft. And then you see the earrings in there. These are so classic, guys. I had to have some of these. I see them on girls everywhere. They come in so many different versions. Gold ones, pearl ones, you know, diamantes, like just plain silver. They've got so many different types, but I really wanted the diamante ones. What I love about these is that they're quite random. I thought it was 2 rows of diamantes, but there's actually bigger diamantes in there as well. I'm gonna get up nice and close so you guys can see. I'll even put them on for you guys as well so you can see them on, but they're just gorgeous. Very, very simple, classic CC earrings. This would be such a great gift for someone on their birthday, or, you know, they are just so beautiful. I would just love, love, love some of these. I mean, I have loved these. So I'm gonna put them on for you guys. I'm just gonna take these ones off, even though I love them. Now, if you guys didn't know, these sort of clear backs with the round discs, I have packs and packs of these in my jewelry drawer because they always make earrings sit nice and high. When you don't have them, the earring drops down. Have you ever had a big heavy earring, like a pearl earring or a big diamante, that drops down and doesn't sit flush against your ear? It's because you don't have these backs. So you need these backs for them to get pushed up really, really well. I'll show you. I won't show you the back because I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I will just show you. Aren't they just gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Oh, there were some that were a lot smaller than these. I'm going to come closer so we can just get a good little look. So there were some that were smaller than these. I do not have massive earlobes, and I also don't have small earlobes. They're very normal size. So the fact that these are big for my earlobes is amazing, because that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted something a little bit bougie. I didn't want them to be tiny and get lost in my ears, because I do have a lot of hair and things do get lost. They are just beautiful. I love the diamantes. They came in a couple of different versions. They also had, I think, gold as well. But I like to keep things quite clean and light when I wear diamantes or stones, clear stones. Like my ring, for example, it's, you know, a moissanite, and I wanted the gold to be white gold so that it kind of blends in. The sort of the same with this, but you know, some people are gold people, which is cool. So they've got heaps of them as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.